Hey, lovely people, welcome back once again to that Chihima's Kitchen. So, on the menu today, we're going to cook this delicious shrimp lo mein. And, fam, whilst you are here, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click on the subscribe, that's the red button down there, and make this channel a happy and big channel. Thank you. So, for my ingredients, I have my shrimps right here. I have lo mein noodles, snow peas, onions, mushrooms, carrots, and spring onions. And also I have my what do you call it? I have my soy sauce, I have my oyster sauce, sesame oil, and of course my hot chili oil, and I have Maggi seasoning for taste. So first thing is I'm going to go ahead and make the sauce. And to make my sauce, I need some soy sauce. I need some oyster sauce. Some sesame oil. And of course I need some hot oil. So I'm going to stir this up and put it on the side for when I'm ready to use it. So our sauce is done. So I'm going to put it on the side and cook the noodles. And to cook the noodles, I'm going to go with the instructions on the package, which is to put it in the hot boiling water for 2 to 5 minutes. And I always like to cut my noodles because it's so long, and I always cut my noodles. The water is boiling, so let's put in the noodles. Is ready, so I'm going to go ahead and drain it. So I'm going to drain the noodles and rinse it off with cold water. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of cooking oil to the lo mein so they don't stick together. So now that our noodles is ready and our sauce is also ready, I'm just gonna go ahead and start with the stir frying. And for the stir frying, I'm gonna start with the shrimps. So I'm adding some oil to my pan, and I'm going to start with the shrimp. And I'm going to season my shrimps with this. So my shrimp has been cooking for about a minute, so I'm ready to take it out. I'm adding a little bit more oil, and I'm going to add all these veggies. I forgot to mention some minced garlic, so I'm going to go ahead and add about a tablespoon of minced garlic. I'm going to add my mushrooms to it. So my veggies have been cooking for about 2 or 3 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and add my noodles. I'm also going to add my spring onions. Add my shrimps. And also add my sauce. So our lo mein is done, and this camera is not even doing justice to this food. So thank you guys once again for tuning in into my kitchen. I hope this tutorial or this little recipe was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and become part of my family. So thank you, and I'll see you guys on my next video.